Ng?
Ring.
Ito?
Alin dyan? Alin
ba?
Binigay
Anong
ni
tinatanong?
Gabi.
Ito.
Is that an Aura ring? What
It's
is
just
it?
a ring. It has no monitoring. Why? Ng?
Ring.
Ito?
Alin dyan?
Alin ba?
Binigay
Anong
ni
tinatanong?
Gabi.
Ito.
Is that an Aura ring? What
It's
is
just
it?
a ring. It has no monitoring. Why?
Para gift lang niya.
Sabi niya, it's a friendship ring, sabi niya sa stage.
Oh, wow.
So that's why I will hold him
Kaya.
to this friendship. Kailangan
I-focus mo
walang
nga sa
problema
camera. Iya.
Huwag naman.
Friendship lang naman.
Kailangan walang problema yung mga darating na projects, kundi sisirain ko to.
That's cute. Cute naman yung gift. Yeah, I love
He
it.
gave it in one of the concerts. So, sabi niya, I've been wearing this. Nandun naman niya sa YouTube.
Right.
Sabi niya, friendship ring daw.
Nice.
So, parang, it took us decades nga to get to this point. So, it's very precious to me. Kasi, marami kaming pinagdaanan na, alam niyo naman yan, diba? So, maraming times na masakit, nakakainis, mga ganas. Finally, that's why I told you, diba, I didn't know what to expect at the beginning, and then biglang we became friends. So, and we became closer. So, parang, you never expected these things to happen, and then they did. So, what a blessing.
Yaba? Kung ako naghawayan, ikaw nagpapampangan.
Ibigay kasi itong sisig.
Salamat naman.
Sisig ng ating friendship together. Ang ko kasuto, I would like to give this to you.
Is this for my, for the monitor
This
na
is
naman?
for our friendship.
We have the same ring, but it will fit here. Yeah, perfect.
That's I've been wearing that the whole night, and I intended to give that to you.
You have also, you were not wearing two rings. Pinapolo ko niya naman.
Guys, I have been wearing this. Masusunod sa inyo lahat ng aming mga shows. I've been wearing this the whole time. Who has been watching our shows?
You'll see it in the pictures. But isn't this supposed to monitor us?
It's to monitor your love for me.
Hi, Gabriel. Now we're just close.
This is my friendship ring for you.
Thank you, friends. We're just friends. We made it.
Maybe you lang.
We're just